everyone. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to yet another fun learning session. In today's session, we are going to do a quick recap of insects taught in the previous session. And also, we are going to learn two new insects today. One is firefly and the other one is ladybug. So let us see. Come on. What is this, children? Which insect is this? Yes, it's a dragonfly. Very good. Good job, children. And now tell me, which insect is this? Very correct. A grasshopper. Very good, children. Excellent. Now I am going to show you one more insect. This is firefly. This is firefly. Like bees, mosquitoes and houseflies, firefly flies too. Fireflies are tiny insects that produce light on their tail. When it's dark, they look like little stars flying here and there. Can you see it in the image? These are all fireflies. This is a ladybug. They are mostly red and black in color. They have sticky feet, which help them to climb and crawl on the leaf even upside down. Can you see it in the picture? The ladybug is crawling upside down. And you know what they eat? They eat other insects. Children, now we are going to do a craft activity. Yes, we are going to make two insects which we have learned just now. Yes, first we will make a firefly and then we will make a ladybug. Come on. First, we will make firefly like this. For this activity, we will need two cutouts for the wings of the firefly. This one is for the body part, colors, sellotape, Fevicol or glue. These two parts for antenna and one spoon. First, we have to paint this thick part of the spoon, that means the back side of the spoon, with the yellow color, and we will keep it for drying. Now we are going to stick this body part on the spoon like this with the help of sellotape. Then we are going to apply glue on this side of the wing, and we are going to stick the other wing on this like this. So it will look like this. After that, we are going to take these two wings and we are going to paste them on the body part of the firefly like this. So our firefly is ready. Now we will do the ladybug. Now for this activity, we need two circle cutouts, one small and one big, then 6 small black chart paper cutouts, one red color crepe paper for making these small balls, glue or Fevicol, sketch pen, 6 pieces of wool, black color wool, and 2 small pieces for antenna. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to take these two circles and we are going to stick the big circle on the small circle this way. It will look like this. Also, I have drawn the borders to the ladybug. Now, what I am going to do is, I am going to stick these small circles on the ladybug. I am going to apply glue and then apply these small circles on the ladybug. Like this. And now again I am going to apply glue on the remaining part of the body of the ladybug, and I am going to stick the red crepe paper balls on it. I am going to stick the crumpled paper balls on the ladybug. These woolen pieces at the back side of the ladybug, like this. So it will look like this. Now I am going to stick the two antennas on the head. Can you see the two antennas of the ladybug? So this way our ladybug is ready. Very good, children. Excellent job. Very nice. Very good. Come on, clap for yourself. Very nice. Good job. I hope you enjoyed the session. See you next time. Bye.